What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video we have one of our hoods, and this is vz101849, and this is our Hellcat style hood with vent scoops, and it fits a 2015 model to 2023, and it's for the Dodge Charger. Now for unboxing these, it's fairly simple. We do ship them out in a box with edge guards on it and foam for added protection, that way it comes undamaged. And we also do have foam all the way around the edges, and they also do come wrapped in our blue protective wrap. But for right now, I went ahead and removed it just to save time. And we also do add extra foam all the way around the edges for that extra added protection so that your hood's not arriving damaged. Now this is in our matte black, as are most of our other hoods. Now we do have other hoods that do have a different primer coat on it. And as you guys can see here, it comes with a three vent scoops, your two for your side, and your center vent scoop here. And then if we look on the back here, you can see they are fully cut out, and they do have holes for mounting air duct vents so that you can port the holes to wherever you like. And also, if you still have your original heat shield, we do have several different holes where you can put rivets in to mount the heat shield onto the underside of the hood. Now, pretty much other than that, you will need your stock hood latch for installing this hood to make sure it latches properly. We don't send them out with hood latches because a lot of the hood latches that we did end up having these hoods come with didn't fit properly on the car. So we just recommend you use your OEM one if you still have it. If not, I'm sure you can find one at Harbor Freight or Napa or any other store. Now, I do believe we have an install video up for this one. If you would like to go check that video out, you can on our YouTube channel. Now, other than that, that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one or an install video on this one, go make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post more videos just like this one.